So these are poppies. I had two plants originally, so now there are more than I think five or six of these, and the flowers are a pretty decent size. Rhododendrons at the back, they've kind of died down, maybe because of heat a bit. Lilacs are coming to an end now, and this is first week of June. Um, the climbing rose seems to be doing fine. Just the it's a red David Austin variety, so it's as recommended. I have I had trimmed other shoots and training one shoot along this wire, so it was everything else was removed. So from one stem, and I'm getting so many more buds on it this year, and there's another shoot which is going on this side. um, Russian sage, no buds yet. Some small little raspberries. um, a nice bud on the grandfather rose. It's a decent pale yellow. Peonies. Pansies. Some rose bushes. Another poppy seed. And you can see some green flies on the roses, rosebuds, and which need to be taken care of. So I'll have to spray it with some rose clear spray. And this is a pink variety, and you can see the size of the flower. It's pretty decent, even bigger than my hand. Multiple layers of petals on this. And then pear tree, some tiny little pears, and you can see the with heat all the lilac flowers have died down. Climbing hydrangeas doing good. Apples fine. Waiting for this iris. It's a nice lilac color. See, be nice with this red bush. More pink. David Austin. So this needs to go. So you're not meant to do this, what I did, but you're meant to. I don't have my clippers with me at the moment, so we need to trim it off just below the bud here. So it'll be taken off from this shoot somewhere so we can get more buds out. The yellow climbing rose. So the mulberry fruit. Some of it has, I think, died down with heat or some picked by birds. White. Climbing rose. Fine, you can see loads of buds on it. We can see in the next videos how these turn up, and it's a nice tiny pink. This one changes its colors during the year. Don't know why, but it sometimes goes kind of little yellowish, but it's generally a pink one. Decent size bud on this one. It's a very bright pink, and this one beside it is a weed, and we just need to take it out. You can see if you pull it, it just comes out very easily. This red one here is Ingrid Bergman. So this is some disease, black spots, could be due to wet weather. So we need to pick them up carefully and throw them away in the bin. That's another one. It's a multicolored one. It's two shade rose. Another one here. So we'll see in the next few videos. This is another pink one, light pink. This one is a pink as well, and this one beside it is an orange. You can see the flowers on the Poet's Wife rose, and you can see the cup-shaped blooms on it, and it's a nice yellow shade, and it is you can see the shape of the plant. It was planted 2 years back from a bare root plant. Same was this one, and this is wilted away and a new one is coming up. Let's see, and this year, as I said, the experiment of planting sweet peas in a pot. So we'll see. I put some canes with it for them to grow onto it. And blueberries. Blueberry, I changed the pot a few months back to give it some space to the roots for this plant to grow. So we can see some blueberries on it, and not very many, but this is a couple of year old plant. You can see from the stem of it. I've repositioned it a few times. Maybe it doesn't like the soil, needs to be acidic, which I've used the acidic soil on it. And beside it some snapdragons and a dragon lily, and you can see this is Mrs. Bradshaw. It's full of flowers. Nice red blooms. They come year after year if you mind the plant during the winter and protect it from harsh frost.